Stickers are awesome. They go with just about anything and bring in the big bucks. If you feel skeptical, there's data to back this up. One of the most searched for keywords on Etsy during April was stickers. If you want to learn how to sell stickers online, keep watching. This will be useful to you, even if you don't yet have any design skills or experience running an online store. The easiest way to start a sticker business is by trusting the printing and shipping process to a print-on-demand company such as Printful. Let me tell you why. With Printful, you only need to focus on designing, marketing, and selling your stickers. We take care of the printing, packaging, and shipping process, which gives you more freedom to experiment with different sticker designs and marketing activities. Another bonus to working with a POD service is that you're never left with unsold stock, as we only fulfill product once it's ordered from your online store. With Printful, you can create vibrant kiss-cut stickers in 3 different sizes, as well as sticker sheets with a customizable background. Get your stickers cut in any shape: round, oval, square, freestyle, you name it. You can create single stickers or a whole sticker sheet on durable vinyl, which is perfect for indoor use. To create a sticker design, you can use any tool you like, or you can design them directly in Printful with our Design Maker. With the Design Maker, you can take advantage of over 50 collections of clip art elements, more than 30 text fonts, and millions of stock images, vectors, and patterns. Once a customer buys your product, we fulfill it, pack it, and ship it off. As Printful is a white label company, our name doesn't show up anywhere, so you have the option to create an amazing unboxing experience for your customers with the branding options we offer. The stickers you print with Printful will look as good as new even after your customers have used them for a while. And another bonus is that they're super easy to apply on any hard surface without having to worry about air bubbles being trapped underneath the sticker. Printful connects to the most popular e-commerce platforms and marketplaces like Shopify, Wix, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and others. You can find the most suitable one for your needs here by filtering out the results or taking our quick 1-minute quiz. If you're just getting started, it might be easier for you to create a store in a marketplace, as you can open up your shop quite quickly and the customers can find you on the platform. But you can also try building your stores on several different marketplaces and platforms to see which one performs better for you. But have you thought about who you'll be selling your stickers to? Running a business without knowing who your customers are is a gamble. Your stickers might be potential bestsellers, but before you get there, you need to answer these questions. Who's your ideal customer? What niche will you sell to? If you're not sure where to start, take a look at our video where we'll teach you how to find your ideal customer. Once you know who you're designing for, let's get to the fun part, creating your stickers. You can choose between fully creating your sticker in the software of your choice, like Illustrator or Photoshop, or doing all of that in our free Design Maker. If you're new to the design process, I recommend giving the Design Maker a shot. Design Maker is easy to use because you can customize each element separately. Try changing size, placement, and color, and even create patterns with just one click. If you want to fully design a sticker yourself without our Design Maker, you can definitely do that as well. To make the design process easier, we've prepared print file templates that are the exact size of the sticker base. You can download them in the product catalog once you click on the product and then scroll down here. To create or add your own design on a sticker, go to your Printful dashboard and click on Product Templates. Here you can choose the Kiss-Cut sticker or the sticker sheet and then upload your own design or create one on the Design Maker. Once you've created your stickers here, you can just add them to your store once you're ready to do that. No matter where you choose to create your designs, there are a couple things that you can do to make the stickers as good quality as they possibly can be. Submit files in PNG or JPEG format with at least 300 dpi. We recommend using PNG for designs with a transparent background. For other designs, we advise preparing files in JPEG instead. Create files with an sRGB color profile to ensure your design will look as close when printed as it does on screen. Note that during printing, we'll automatically add a white border or on the solid edge of an object. Keep all the important graphics or text within the safe print area to avoid missing design elements on the finished product. If you use our downloadable templates, delete the guide layers before saving your files. If you don't delete them, they'll show up on the print. If your designs leave the border of the sticker sheet unused, the excess area will be cut off to save paper. It can be tricky to understand how to price your products. Don't worry though. We prepared a guide to help you calculate a price that will both cover your business expenses and bring in profit. The first thing you can do is see what type of prices your competitors are charging for similar products. That'll let you know what the price range is for stickers and what prices customers might be willing to pay. But that's not all. You also need to make sure that the cost of the product covers your expenses and lets you earn money as well. Your price should cover Printful's product price, expenses like platform fee, the price of your own labor, and the profit you want to make. If you want a more thorough guide on calculating the price of your product, Take a look at the video guide on how to calculate the price for your product after you watch this video. But to make sure you can actually sell your beautiful stickers, you need to market them first. So how can you market your sticker business? Creating a product that people want to buy is key, but so is making sure your future customers can actually find it. Keywords serve as a way to inform search engines about what you're selling. Keywords are also words and phrases your customers use to search for your product on search engines and marketplaces. What social media platforms are your potential customers using most? Is it Instagram, TikTok, or maybe Facebook? Create an account for your online store on one or all of these platforms. Afterward, share your sticker designs, behind the scenes, and even memes or other content that involves your product. Make sure you post regularly to get new eyes on your content and perhaps convert some of those followers into customers. If you already have an online store and want to add stickers to your product catalog, you might find this tip useful. Sticker marketing can be an amazing opportunity to strengthen your brand and grow your business. Sticker marketing is basically gifting your customers an extra sticker with every order they make. Why would you want to do that? Instead of throwing the sticker away, people will likely look for a surface to stick them on. Your customers have already fallen in love with the product that they're buying, so receiving a sticker with your beautiful design on it will be a great surprise. A pleasant experience through your store will make your customers want to come back for more. Once they stick their freebie on their stuff, it'll be seen by plenty of other people. If the sticker's message or design resonates with them, people might remember and interact with your business soon. So really, it's a win-win. You don't have to offer this for your store to take off, but it could give you a chance of selling to the same customer again because you've introduced something new to them. It's also just a nice feeling to receive something extra, making the unboxing experience much more exciting for your customers. If that's something you're interested in, check out this page where we talk about adding pack-ins to your store. I've linked it in the description. That's all for today's video. Have you already opened your own sticker store? If so, let me know how it's going.